Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to log into your TikTok account. To log into your TikTok account, you first need to make sure that you already have an account. And then to begin with, open your TikTok application and log in. So now, what here you need to do is actually to log in, you simply want to tap on the login at the bottom of the page. Click that out, you will be provided with different options to log in. That is either continue with Facebook, or maybe go with the email or Google account, or use your email address, username, or phone number. Whatever is convenient for you, select that, type in the following information, enter in the password associated with that, and within no time you'll be able to successfully logged into your account. And in a between or in a meanwhile, you'll also be able to see some sort of captcha, which you need to actually make sure to arrange it perfectly, just like this, and you will be able to log into your TikTok account. So that's it. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.